Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, dear students, today we are going to explore the difficult words of unit number 10. And the very first word on our hand is amateur. Amateur, dear students, is a word which is used for a person who does not do something professionally. So we may say he is a non-professional person, the one who does something for a hobby, and the antonym will be an expert or professional. And if we make a sentence, the planet was discovered using telescopes similar to those of amateur astronomers. The next word is density, which means thickness of something, and the antonym will be we may say thinness or the sparseness of an object. The sentence can be: scientists calculated the density of the planet to determine its composition. The next word is depleting, which means something which is reducing or diminishing, and the antonym will be increasing or we may also say restoring. The sentence can be: ozone depleting chemicals harm the Earth's atmosphere. Gravity is the next word, which actually means the pull or attraction, as we say, the gravity of Earth, and the antonym will be repulsion, or we may say weightlessness can also be an appropriate antonym. The sentence can be: gravity on the new planet is stronger than on Earth. Massive is the next word on our list, which means something which is huge or enormous, and the antonym will be something which is tiny or small. And we can have the sentence as TRAS-2 is a massive planet larger than Jupiter. The next word is orbit, and it may mean to revolve or circle, and the antonym can be to remain still. And the sentence can be: the planet takes 2.5 days to orbit its star. The next word is stratosphere, which means the upper atmosphere of a planet, and the antonym will be the troposphere. The sentence can be: the ozone layer is located in the stratosphere, which means the upper atmosphere of the Earth. The next word is transit, which means something which is crossing, or it may be termed as a passage, and the antonym can be stop or halting of something. And the sentence can be: scientists observed the planet's transit across its star. The next word is ultraviolet. That is actually used for the radiation, and actually it is the short wave lights, and the antonym can be the infrared, or we may say the visible light as well. The sentence can be: ultraviolet rays can damage human skin. The next word is atmosphere, which means a sort of air or envelope, and the antonym can be vacuum. The sentence can be: Earth's atmosphere protects life from harmful radiation. The next word is astronomer. That is actually a scientist who studies the space or the universe, and the antonym can be a layman or a non-scientist person. The sentence can be: an astronomer studies planets and stars. The next word is radiation, which actually means the emission, or we may say the energy waves, and the antonym can be absorption. The sentence can be: excess radiation is dangerous for living organisms. The last word on our vocabulary list today is the word protective, which means something which is defensive, and the antonym can be something which is harmful, or we may also say destructive. The sentence can be: the ozone layer acts as a protective blanket around Earth. So, with that, dear students, we have come to the end of our vocabulary list today of unit number 10. So, I hope you have understood the words, and now you should use them in your own sentences, and try to read the text once again so that you may have a better understanding of the essay. Thank you very much, dear students.